Let's check out. This is a self-built tiny house in Portugal. Here gonna be the shower. Here you have a small garden with a chill zone. "11 square meter tiny house that has a bedroom and kitchen." The land she bought only for 10,000 euros, and it has a building permission. It's building land, so everything she's doing here is completely legal. The main expenses were connecting the electricity and installing the septic tank. Her total cost was just over 15,000 euros. Right here you have a composting and outdoor kitchen. Here is a bathtub that runs on the fire and gets warm.